Ayan guys, ito. Hi guys, ayun. This is na yung second dagger ni Jinwoo guys. Ito na. Open na guys to. Let's go. Ito na guys. Open na ito. Yo. Again, first dagger ni Sung Ji-woo guys. Yo. Ano? Na guys.
Okay, mga chikoy, so sana naman nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na yun.
Guys,
I'm really
to.
happy ko at pinabili ko
First dagger ni Sung Ji-woo guys.
And thank you sa mga
At second dagger si Sung Ji-woo.
And yun ang ingay pala.
Like guys, yung second first vlog ni first dagger guys. Putol. Ito, mo. Ito na guys. Sira guys. Okay, ito. Ayos ko to guys. Let's go. Na guys, ito na guys. Ito dago guys ni Ji-woo guys. Ito. Guys, yung isa rin guys ito. Tanggal. Isang i-fix ko to guys. Yan guys. Nangyari. Ito yung butol. Lagi sa putol to guys. Ito bagong dagger ni Sung Ji-woo. Hindi guys. Yan. Hindi know putol guys. Bigat guys. Bigat.
Open
Guys,
finance is
bigat.
a framework that's offered that allows, I would say, an individual to share his or
Yan
her
guys. Ito
personal
yung
financial data
first
that's
dagger
kept
ni
in institutions
Sung
among
Ji-woo
other
guys.
institutions to enable these institutions or a new player to serve this client better. It's still fairly new,
Second
not only in the
dagger,
Philippines but
guys.
around the world. It's a great concept. I think open finance is something that
Yan guys.
will really help
Ito
the
guys.
public towards financial inclusion or even a better experience when you deal with financial institutions.
Yan guys. Yan.
Philippines is generally an underbanked
Yan
country
guys. Ito.
where we need to really promote
Post.
financial inclusion, and therefore this means that we need to give every Filipino the ability to choose a service and have the best service possible. For a financial institution to survive in the future, one has to be innovative and has to serve the customers perfectly, meaning you tailor your offerings
Yan guys.
that are geared towards a
Yan guys.
customer's needs, wants,
Sige naman yung guys. Yung sada lang to guys yung video. Yung no dagger guys. Yung Sung Ji-woo guys. Sige watching guys. Subscribe.
It's really up to the industry to embrace.
Solo Leveling. Arise. Play now.